Hello again, this is Dielle, and this is your fourth breathwork practice of the second gate. Now, the second, third, and fourth practice all have long, deep breathing involved. So you'll be long, deep breathing again in this exercise, okay? So as you commence long, deep breathing today, at the bottom of the exhalation, you are going to squeeze every last bit of air from your lungs, like you're squeezing air out of an air mattress to get it all flat and stuff it back in the container it came in. I don't know if you've ever done that, but think of anything that you need to that you've taken out of a box and you need to get it back in the box. Usually it's not as easy as when it came out. So think squeezing every last tiny little drop of air out. Be comfortable seated and your feet on the ground, your hands resting either in your lap or on your knees, sitting up tall, and begin your long, deep breathing. Let's just do a little bit of that to start. Just some long, deep breaths at your own pace. And now on the next exhalation, don't stop when you think you're done exhaling. Keep exhaling. Keep squeezing. Keep pushing. Every tiny little last bit of air out, 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 out. And hold that out, hold that out, hold that out, and then take in the next inhalation and feel that joy, that relief of a full breath. And then once again, when you exhale, release all the way down to the very, 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 very bottom. And hold that. Hold the breath out as much as is comfortable. Don't overdo it here. Be kind to yourself. It's not something that should be painful or uncomfortable. And then when you need to, take your next long, deep breath in and feel that sense of, that sense of relief. Very good, very good. Experiment with the length of your holding at the end of the exhalation before you take the next inhalation. But again, like I said, don't overdo it. You want to be comfortable. This isn't an endurance test. It's just an experiment. Go gently, honor your body's capacities. If you need to take a break, please do. Otherwise, we're going to go for another 30 seconds here. So breathing in long and deep and exhaling to the very, very bottom of the breath, holding the breath out, holding that empty lung state before you take your next inhalation. Good, and then just go ahead and complete one more round. So breathing in, exhaling all the breath when you're ready for that. Holding it out, perhaps changing the length of the exhalation's hold. And then breathing normally. Okay, so this was called enhanced exhalation. And go ahead and write in your journal anything you noticed about this practice. What might have arisen for you? Was it difficult to hold your breath out? Did it create anxiety? Did your breath, maybe your inhalation, get even longer and deeper as a result of releasing more air? We tend to replace a certain portion of air when we breathe and not the whole extent of the breath that we're holding. It's just how we tend to function. So this is just an experiment to feel what it's like to replace the air completely. Okay, so that's it for now. I'll be back with more breath exercises soon. Bye-bye.